Yeah, he burned me down, caused the backfire. Probably freaking did a wheelie, landed on the ground, busted the oil pan, leaking oil all the way down the track. We're gonna need 434 dispatch. Could you bring us 10 more gallons of glue to the front? Yeah, we're gonna have to go ahead and apply them to the John Deere. And it's gonna be oh yeah, look at my buddy right here. He has another 2.5 gallons already. He's getting it ready. Oh yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put it on around 20 feet of the track. Oh yeah, go ahead and turn it off. We're gonna need to get the tractor. We gotta go get him. Someone go get the thing. Oh yeah, back up guys. I'm gonna be very rude right now. You better be out of my way before yeah, this thing has been running. Wait a minute, warn you over. Yeah, the glue that my buddy built back when we were in college. Oh yeah, dude. While we was building this glue, dude, we were spending all of our money on the experiment, man. This glue is working so good, it's making it backfire. That's actually lugging the motor down. They're gonna have to put more timing.
You don't get got. He got by that motherfucker.
Hey. Yeah, we're gonna have to apply another coating of glue. About 4 more barrels of glue on this ground, dude. We're gonna go all the way down to the 330. Oh yeah, man, this John Deere is badass, man. Here at the Texas Motorplex, we don't care. We're gonna put Gorilla Glue on. Oh yeah, we're gonna have this thing sticking, dude. I walk down the track with this extra glue. We keep refilling this thing, man. 2.5 gallons. I'm gonna walk around with it and spray it. Have to get special shoes to do this. Dude, my freaking shoe is so wet that it has glue all over it, dude. Like, these shoes are specifically made for me to do this at this track. Oh yeah, dude, I put glue all over my shoes. I don't even tie them anymore because they're glued together. We call the other buddy, and he brings the blower, and he blows into it. And then I come back by with a John Deere tractor, and I just freaking smear all the glue inside of the track, dude. We're gonna get this thing freaking covered. Dude, once we go over it with the tractor, with the John Deere and the rubber scrub, yeah, we're gonna go back over it with this chemical glue that my buddy made in college. Oh yeah, dude, we're gonna get this thing soaked in. We just refilled 2.5 barrels of it on the back of this 4-wheeler. Yeah, it's a 1000 cc, goes about 30 miles an hour at a constant speed. We got a 180 gallon fuel pump pumping the glue. John Deere's had more passes than anyone here. Hey, yo, hey, what y'all know about that?
We need y'all to come on back.
Hey, yeah, man, we got these Candyman them. They been wiping the shit out. Look at him, bro. He been wiping on it so much he won't even put the damn wiper down. Hey, let me see that wiper, man. My shit dusty back there. Hey, let me see that. I need it for my shit. Let me get it. I need it for my shit. Damn, they put him up against a gorilla, man. I hate that for my partner. Candyman versus Crackhead. Who you betting with?
I'm over here.
You got the left lane? Damn, man, ain't nobody bet with my partner, man. Let me go over here and check on him. Hold on, I gotta check on my partner. Excuse me. This is my partner over here, y'all. Excuse me, make sure the nitrous look good when it purge out. Excuse me, make sure they can turn this bottle on. Okay, oh, it look good. Let me hear your button, fool. Hold on, y'all. He said that's crazy, y'all. Oh! Yes, sir. God damn. That's my partner, y'all. I told y'all. That's my partner. Count that shit out. Count that shit out. Keep counting. I know everybody out of ocean shit. You owe him too. Look. That's my boy Tyrone right there. Yo. God damn. Upset. Boy, I say, boy. He finna come back doing that shit he been doing back in the day, y'all. He finna start getting them. He finna start getting them. He finna start getting them. That's one. That's one. That's one. That's one. That's one. Y'all keep playing. Y'all keep playing. He done turned them a light on. He done turned them a light on. He done turned them a light on, y'all. Look at Candyman. Look at Tyrone. Look, he ain't wanting so goddamn long. Give him this goddamn shit. He been waiting to win for goddamn me 10 years. Give him something. Come on, man. Oh, they bet it on the light, y'all. They saying Canterbury left first. Oh, they saying Big Jake said the Mustang left first, and the Candyman drove by him. He drove.
I told your dumb ass to beg. I said, bet. Let me get that candy out of his mouth.
Man.
Feel that. That's crazy. I see where I
He said that's crazy, y'all. He can't believe Candyman and came back out here and God damn, that motherfucker was in jail studying.